Novelty Site Builder review, demo, and $2,650 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Novelty Site Builder review. Now this is a brand new product that will allow you to build website after website after website literally in seconds. It is all done for you. It will save you tons of time and it will actually make you a lot of money because these are affiliate sites, okay? So you can add products to them automatically and make money this way. Obviously all the SEO and everything else is included in it, so you're going to be getting traffic to them, and I have a huge $2,650 bonus to it. So without further ado, let's jump into this review video. And as always, I just wanted to show you Fiverr and just a few gigs about setting up websites. Okay, so first of all, keep in mind that you would have to pay this much for someone else to set up a website like this for you, or you can even use Novelty Site Builder to set up websites for other people. Okay, so as you can see, the average cost is $50 right here. So we get 47 euro, which is like $55, 56 euro, which is $60, even 85, which is $100, 56, I mean it's $70. So that's the average cost, anything from $60 to $100. So keep in mind, even if you don't want to have an affiliate website like this for yourself, you can just set this up for other people and make $60 to $100 per gig this way. And as you can see, people are buying these gigs in the hundreds. 447 sold here, 393 sold here. So you can actually make a lot of money this way. Okay, you just need to 1 gig per day and you're going to be making, you know, up to $3,000 per month. Now with that being said, let's check out this sales page. And as you can see, it says, attention all marketers, profitable affiliate site builder, new WordPress software, create, set it and forget it. Affiliate sites that earn commissions and bring profits day after day using weird products. Now obviously we're going to touch on some key points right here. So you can create multiple profitable affiliate sites. This is perfect for beginners, no boring tasks or no content writing. You can choose any niche, self-growing site with free daily traffic, and you're going to see results in as little as 24 hours. Okay, so obviously the Igor, the guy behind this product, has some proof. So as you can see, $2,000 made here, 2,300, 2,400, 2,100. So these sites absolutely work. As you can see, you got some examples here, some testimonials. Novelty Site Builder, that's the name of this product. So you're gonna have automated product import, free viral traffic, and you're gonna be earning commissions as well. Scrolling down here, some more testimonials, and again, obviously you can do this in any niche, and this will be $16 for a single site license or $17 for unlimited sites. So pretty crazy, especially if you want to do this for other people. $17 for unlimited sites. Great price, you know, 30 days money back guarantee as always. And that's essentially it. Obviously you can go through all of this in your own time, and right now let me show you the inside of the members area. So this is what you'll see after picking up Novelty Site Builder. And as you can see, Igor, this is the guy behind the product, and you're actually going to get 3 things. Okay, so you're going to get the plugin, which all you have to do is just install it on the website and the plugin will do the work. Okay, so this is a done for you website essentially with this plugin. You're also going to get a done for you theme. So obviously this is for all the graphics on the website, and you're also going to get a Chrome extension. Okay, so as you can see, you can access support right here. All the video training will be included on obviously how to set all of this up. So obviously I won't be setting up a brand new website right here, but I can show you one that is already set up. Okay, so first of all, let me show you how the inside looks while it's installed. Okay, so obviously this is a WordPress site. As you can see, we got Novelty products right here. That's the plugin, so we can access all products, add a new product. You have categories, we have settings. As you can see, we can edit all of these products right here. So obviously this can be Amazon products or any other product that you want to promote. Okay, so this is how it looks on the back end, and let me show you an example site. So this is how it will look like on the front end. Okay, so this is how this website looks when you go to the main URL. Okay, so obviously all of this is customizable. We have what's new, popular, gifts under 20, my account, favorites. You know, this is going to be customized for you. Obviously you can edit all of this, so you can change this header, you can add all of the products as you want. you have the price, you have the checkout button, etc. And obviously we have the archives post, and that's the usual stuff when it comes to website. But this is how it looks like. And obviously this is something that you can do for Amazon, for again any other affiliate marketing product. Now let's check out a sample page. So obviously you can add both pages and posts, so this is something that you can add as well. You have favorite products, you can add these as well, and you have posts as well. So obviously all of these will be customizable to you. And again, this actually comes with free traffic because people will be able to find these on Google. So SEO is included with this, and you'll be able to make a lot of money with free viral traffic and Google traffic. Okay, so that's essentially it. I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel as always. So again, I can't really show you everything when it comes to the demo, but I'm going to have a separate one as always. And right now let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. Now, as you can see, Novelty Site Builder will be $22, but this is the end price. As you can see, as I showed you before, the early bird price will be $17 or $16 depending on if you want the single site license or unlimited site, and you're getting everything that I just showed you. So the plugin, the theme, the Chrome browser, and the training. Then OTO number 1 is the Plus version, which also includes push notifications for more traffic and logo maker. That will be $37. So just additional features. OTO number 2, we got $67, and this is a done for you service. So essentially these guys will set up this whole website for you. Okay, so obviously you can set all of this up yourself. It takes minutes, but if you want someone else to do it for you because you're not really a techie person, $67, and these guys will do it for you. And then the last one, we got OTO number 3, $297. That's a reseller's license, so essentially you can resell this plugin and this theme, this whole product as your own, and keep 100% of the profits on both the main product and all of the upsells. So this is like a mini done for you service, done for you business, and you keep all of the profits. Okay, so as you can see, me as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions. You can keep 100% commissions to yourself if you'll pick up this one last OTO. Now obviously OTOs are optional, and you'll be fine with the main product alone. You can make lots of money with it, even if you're just going to set up a Fiverr gig and sell, a simple gig like these people are doing. So all you have to do is just, find a successful gig, mirror it, and just wait for people to buy it. And right now, let me show you all of the bonuses I have to Novelty Site Builder. As you can see, Novelty Site Builder will be going off at 10 a.m. Eastern on December 9th. That's a Monday, and all you have to do to pick it up is click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you're on YouTube, click on the first link in the description. First of all, I made a custom-made bonus especially for this promotion. This is a PDF on how to set up your own website, okay, your first website. So this is custom-made. You cannot buy it, you cannot get it for free, or you can only get it as a part of this bonus package. So again, this is a custom bonus made especially for Novelty Site Builder, and this is my custom bonus. You're gonna get freelancing Bible and other custom bonus to Novelty Site Builder, everything you need to know about freelancing. And I'm also going to give you 3 of my top selling Fiverr products: Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser. So these 3 products are about selling on Fiverr. So if you want to do this, obviously these are the 3 courses that you definitely want to get your hands on. Newbie Traffic Formula, this is for generating traffic in any niche, very useful as well. You're gonna get Flip Me with the income booster and a reseller's license. So that's my top selling product, and all of this is worth, all these 3 are worth $100 on their own. I'm also going to give you Urgent Arbitrage Cash and Easy Arbitrage Profits, 2 arbitrage courses. Blaze, a case study on how to generate free traffic from Facebook, Tube Traffic Avalanche, and an additional free traffic case study. Now I'm also going to give you 9 additional plugins and softwares: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, WP Ask, WP Popbox, WP Sales Bar plugin, and WP Shortcode Call to Action. Now, on top of all this, you're gonna get 10 additional bonuses. You're gonna get Authority Traffic Matters, Facebook Live Reaction, Press, Face Zone, Vid Builder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social, Auto Poster, Slick Pop, and VidBot, and also responsive slider, YouTube video gallery, Pinterest portfolio, post grid, post widget, and WordPress courses plugin. And on top of all of this, you're gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. Now my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this will bring it up to a total of $2,650. And if you'll decide to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is just again click on one of these blue links or click on the first link in the description. If you're watching on YouTube, the second link in the description will take you to my blog if you want to read the whole written review. As always, I have it right here on my blog. So just to sum up this novelty site builder review, you're going to be able to create multiple profitable affiliate sites. This is perfect for beginners. It's all done for you. No boring tasks or no content creating. Again, this is all done for you. You can choose any niche you like. Self-growing sites with free daily traffic. Obviously going to be getting viral traffic from social media and Google traffic as well. You can see results in as little as 24 hours. And you can use this for yourself or your clients. And again, my mega bonus will actually show you how to do this on Fiverr and other freelancing websites. Now, before you go, let me just mention to you how to claim my bonus. Okay, so if you'll decide to pick it up from my link, and this will work for any other product, by the way, to claim the bonus, all you have to do is just go to your purchase history, click on the product that you got from my link, and on the download page below the green access your purchase button will be another button saying bonus from art. Okay, so if you picked up any of the products that I have on my blog through my link, you should be able to see it right there. If for some reason it's not there, please leave me a message, please leave me a YouTube comment, or just send me an email and I'll make sure to help you out. But you don't have to send me any receipts or email me or do anything. All of the bonuses are always automatically included with the download if you use my link. Okay, so I just wanted to mention that. And again, I really like this novelty site builder because, again, even if you don't want to do this for yourself, if you don't want to be promoting Amazon products or affiliate products, you can still do this for other people super successfully and make an easy $60 to $100 per gig. And as you can see, you can set this up in minutes, so you can actually make $100 in a few minutes. Pretty cool. And Fiverr is actually how I got started online back in 2012, so I know that this stuff works. People are buying these gigs in the hundreds, and you can make some pretty cool cash this way. Okay, so guys, this was my novelty site builder review. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Please give it a like on YouTube. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.